नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल पर। और इस YouTube चैनल के माध्यम से आपको मिलती हैं शॉर्ट एंड डिक्टेशंस, आउटलाइंस और फ्रेजेस। दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है या आप पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को जरूर दबा लें ताकि जो भी हम डिक्टेशन डालते हैं उसकी नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपके पास टाइम पर पहुँच जाए। और दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को या व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप को या फेसबुक ग्रुप को ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो उसका लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल सकता है। साथ ही ये जो मैटर बोलने वाले हैं जिसकी स्पीड है 80 वर्ड पर मिनट, इसी के साथ हम आपको 2 डिक्टेशन और देंगे इसी सेम मैटर पर जो जिनकी स्पीड रहेगी 100 वर्ड पर मिनट और 120 वर्ड पर मिनट। तो इस मैटर का लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में ले जाएगा, जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, जो कि आपको सीधा हमारे फेसबुक ग्रुप से जोड़ देगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 5 seconds. During the course of submissions, it has also been pointed out that in another batch of petitions led by WP number 7537 of 2018, bracket start, MS Standard Metalloys Private Limited versus Union of India, bracket close. The High Court passed a detailed order on 6th February 2019 and set aside the impugned order dated 13th June 2016 on merits. Be that as it may, we need not enter into any other aspect of the matter because herein the recall is sought essentially on the ground that an incorrect statement was made by the learned counsel who appeared for the Union of India in the said writ petition, which led for its disposal wrongly. It is stated therein that the statement was made by the learned counsel on the basis of incorrect or wrong briefing made to him by the concerned official. Para. A prayer is therefore made that because during the pendency of the appeal subsequent to passing of the impugned order, certain events have also taken place. Therefore, this appeal can be disposed of accordingly, keeping in view the subsequent events which have occurred. Though the learned counsel for the parties, and especially the learned counsel for the original writ petitioner, bracket start, respondent number 3 herein, bracket close, opposed the application under consideration and urged the issues arising in the writ petition on merits. But having heard the learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of the entire record of the case, we are inclined to allow this appeal, set aside the impugned order and restore writ petition number 5734 of 2016 to its original number before the High Court for its fresh disposal in accordance with law on merits. Para. In our opinion, keeping in view the grounds now raised by the Union of India and further the fact that the High Court did not decide the writ petition on merits but disposed it off on the statement made by the learned counsel for the Union of India, which was based on incorrect briefing, we consider it just and proper and in the interest of all the parties concerned that the writ petition is heard afresh and is disposed of on its merits in accordance with the law by the High Court. Para. In view of the foregoing discussion, the application made by the Union of India bracket start IA number 163521 of 2018 bracket closed is allowed. As a consequence, the appeal succeeds and is accordingly allowed. The impugned order is set aside. The writ petition number 5734 of 2016 filed by respondent number 3 herein before the High Court, out of which this appeal arises, is restored to its original number before the High Court. In the light of this order, the review petition filed by the Union of India bracket start number 103/2018 bracket closed stands disposed of. All the parties are granted liberty to amend their respective pleadings before the High Court in the aforementioned writ petition to enable the High Court to dispose of the writ petition on merits in accordance with law. Full stop. Thank you.